Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to archive or unarchive a group or chat here on your WhatsApp. So first, you just have to launch your WhatsApp and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now you have to locate that message, the conversation, or that group chat that you want to move to archive. For example, this one right here. All you have to do is to tap this and then click this three dots and you will see this archive chat. Tap this one. Now, how are you going to see the messages under your archive folder? Simply tap this archive folder above right here. You will see this archive. Tap this one and you will see all the conversation, group chats, or messages that you move to archive. So basically, if you want to unarchive messages here, okay, these are the messages and conversation under archive. If you want to unarchive this, you just have to long press again or tap and then tap this unarchive button. Tap this, okay, arrow facing up. When you tap this, and then you have unarchive this conversation. You can undo if you want. To see if it's already or if it's really an archive, you can go back to your WhatsApp conversation and you will see the message again right here. So basically, that's how easy it is to archive and unarchive a group or chat here on your WhatsApp application. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.